I'm gonna catch up.
Anything.
Okay. So, what do you want to do today?
Gee, kind of a bad day outside. Really bad. There's nothing to do in a bad day.
I know.
But
Let's play hide and seek.
So, what do you do? Don't go outside.
Yeah, got it. I know that.
I'm starting now.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not? Here I come. I don't check outside, if he's there. What the hell are you doing?
Hiding.
Second thoughts, you cheat a lot, so let's not.
Cheat. You're talking. Yeah. Forget about it. Ah, got it. Let's go listen to music. Yeah.
Are you ready?
Second thought, I really need my neck.
How about some television then?
Brilliant idea!
I think you need your nose, and I need my TV.
Why?
It costs a lot of money.
If you say so.
So, what do you want to do now?
There's nothing to do. The weather is bad.
We can make a video.
Amazing idea.
Very good video, is it?
No.
Why would you make a video then? Oh.
We should make this video more exciting. Maybe have some fireworks, some fire, some water, some hydro fantastic punches.
I don't know. I don't have that much money, so for a camera. So.
What?
Why don't we make a video about doing stuff on a rainy day?
What? You mean like visions?
Yeah.
Boring.
Okay.